Hi guys, it's Jamila here from Slapp. Today I'm going to be doing a video on the brand new Rouge Dior Lip Balm. If you haven't subscribed already guys, please subscribe. We would love to have you in the Slapp family. And without further ado guys, here is the video. Today I'm going to be doing a video on the brand new Dior Lip Balm. I also got the new Dior Backstage powder in the shade 5N. I don't know if you saw it, but I did a video of the powder in the shade 6N and I really liked it. I felt like it was translucent enough for me to use, but I was really intrigued to see what the shade 5N would look like. So I decided to just give it a go and just get it. So I'm going to be showing you guys that today as well. I've just washed my hair, so I look a bit strange, but I don't have time to change it. So we're just going to go with it. First, I'm going to quickly show you guys the powder in the shade 5N, just in case you are intrigued by this color, this shade. I thought it would be a lot lighter than it is, but I think it is actually the perfect shade for me. I'm also going to link down my original video below. This is the shade 5N here. I definitely feel like this shade is a lot better for my skin tone than the other shade. Looks the same. So that is the difference guys, it's not huge. They're both very translucent, you can't really tell the difference. So hopefully that was helpful. Hopefully the swatches were helpful, they're probably more useful than anything else. So this is the lip balm here. This is the Rouge Dior Floral Care Lip Balm in Natural Couture color. It is a clear lip balm and it is refillable, so it is nice and sustainable. Really love this. I saw it online, I just loved the packaging so much that I felt compelled to buy it. Just kind of like when I saw the Tom Ford lip blush, the packaging was so nice that I felt compelled to buy it. So I'm going to be showing you guys what it looks like on. So this is supposed to be a universal lip balm and it comes in one shade, one singular shade, which is clear, and it's supposed to be 95% natural origin ingredients and 24-hour hydration. So this is £32 and 38 US dollars. It really reminded me of the Tom Ford lip blush lip balm, which was £44, and definitely an extravagant purchase. But last year it was quarantine and it was the beginning of lockdown and I felt like a treat, and it's still quarantine. With all things Dior you get complimentary shipping and it is always very express shipping, which is great. They also always give you little samples and little goodies for you to make yourself feel better about the lavish purchases you're making. I saw this packaging and I felt like it just had to be done. It also comes in a refill as well. The refill is £25.50 and I will put on the screen the price it is in dollars. The before and afters don't look very drastic at all. I think the main reason you would buy this or choose to get an expensive luxurious lip balm is mainly the packaging. So when you pull it out you feel really cute and very luxurious, etc, etc. That's the reason I've got the Tom Ford one. I just love the packaging. It's also a tinted lip balm as well, so it kind of changes colour according to your lips. I don't think this does that, but sometimes I don't actually want the tint, so this could be the one I use when I don't want the tint. I will say that the Tom Ford one I do still have and it has lasted a really long time, so it was really good value for money and I've got loads and loads left and I use it every day pretty much. So I feel like that was a good purchase, even though it felt very lavish and over the top at the time. I feel like it has worked for its money, so I'm happy about that. So let's read what they say. It's first lip balm with a formula concentrated in peony and pomegranate flower extracts. Composed of 95% ingredients of natural origin and enriched with soothing lip care, the Rouge Dior Lip Balm ensures 24 hours of hydration. Harnessing the power of double floral lip care, it beautifies the lips with a universal shade and leaves them naturally satiny. It can be used alone as a lip balm or under the Rouge Dior lipstick as a primer for added comfort. The new Rouge Dior Balm is adorned with a band featuring the CD initials, a nod to the fitted waist of Dior's runway looks. The refillable Rouge Dior Lip Balm is part of the House of Dior's sustainability strategy. And I really love that about it. I love that I can get a refill. I love that I don't have to keep buying packaging and wasting packaging and throwing things away. So that's really good. It says the benefits are a soothing lip balm with floral lip care for 24 hours of hydration. So we'll see how long it lasts. I very much doubt it's going to be 24 hours of hydration. So that is the packaging. It's actually really lovely packaging. I love the look of it. I feel like taking this out wherever I am, I'd feel super chic, super luxurious, very French, very mademoiselle. I love it. I love how opaque this is. It just looks really like a lip balm, and you can't really see it on the camera, but it does have Dior stamped in the front of it. It's a really nice touch, and I think it's just a really nice looking lip balm. So very happy with the packaging. I feel like, oh, it's got a little bit of red. I feel like it's definitely worth it in terms of packaging alone. I love the fact that this is refillable as well. So it means that I can just get this bit and save money and also save the planet. So that's great. So I'm just gonna put it on. I definitely see the difference between the bottom lip and the top lip. I can also really feel it as well. It feels so much nicer on the bottom. Obviously it would. So I'm just going to try it on the top to see how it goes. I have already made a mess, but never mind. It does feel very, very creamy. My lips feel super smooth with just one coat, and I really like how it feels. It feels lightweight. It doesn't feel sticky at all, and I really like that about it. It does have a very slight scent to it. It has a bit of a floral scent. It is very light. It's not too overpowering. It's not like the Gucci bronzer or the Gucci powders, which have quite a strong scent. This is very, very light, but it is ever so slightly floral. A lot of the time fragrance gives me a headache, and so far so good. This really isn't a lot of fragrance. I feel like this is absolutely fine, but if you don't like fragrance, then it's probably not the one for you. So a bit more on. Get a bit messy if you do have a lip liner on, but I do feel like it looks really nice. It just looks very natural. It's completely colorless, which I think is good. Sometimes you don't always want a color. Sometimes when I'm on a Zoom, I reach for the Tom Ford one and my lips are all pink and it just looks a bit intense. So I think this would be a really good one if you just want hydration. I really like the way this feels. Super silky on. Doesn't taste of anything. It's just really nice. So I'm going to put a bit more on, and then I'm going to do some check-ins. I just realized I totally forgot to do a check-in, but I did notice that my lips were dry at 8:32, and I applied this lip balm at 5 o'clock, so it lasted 4.5 hours without me needing to top up my lip balm again. So not too bad, but definitely not 24 hours. I'm not sure where they got that from. My lips are very dry. Hopefully that was helpful, and here is the rest of the video. So yeah, that's it guys. I feel like this is a really nice lip balm. It's super luxurious. I do feel like the packaging is definitely worth the price. It's really nice. It's a glossy-ish package. Sometimes in some of the pictures they've got it looked matte, which I kind of like the matte more, but this is good. It's easy to wipe clean and it's not going to get dirty. I think the packaging is gorgeous. It's very grown up, very chic, and if you've got the money to splurge, I would definitely give it a go. It's really, really nice and hydrating. I really love the way this feels. I love the way it looks. It's very chilled. Just does what it says on the tin. It's a good lip balm. It's so pretty. I love the packaging of this. I feel like it's super grown up. It's a bit more subtle than the Tom Ford one, which is very blinging. This is the Tom Ford one. As you can tell, it's very lavish, it's very over the top. It's like a bar of gold and I love it. But sometimes, you know, if you want to be a bit more low-key, this is a really nice option. It's still chic, still grown up, but not as like ostentatious as this one is. I would say this one felt more instantly hydrating. It just feels more of a lip balm, whereas the Tom Ford one is more of a kind of just like a silky tint. So I think this is a really nice option. It is also cheaper than the Tom Ford one, so you save a bit of money, and it is also refillable as well. So I think this is a really nice lip balm. Very much like it so far. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this video. If you haven't subscribed already guys, please subscribe. We would love to have you in the Slapp family. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you on the next